Hey there, food and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to The Flavorful Truth, where we spice up your life with facts and fun. Today, we're diving into two hot topics: foods that fight inflammation and the truth about intermittent fasting. So, buckle up because we're about to stir things up. First up, let's talk about inflammation and chronic pain. You know, that pesky stuff that makes you feel like you've aged 100 years overnight. But fear not. Here are 8 foods ready to fight back. 1. Turmeric, the golden warrior with curcumin power, perfect for kicking inflammation to the curb. 2. Ginger, spicy and sassy. Ginger knows how to soothe those achy joints. 3. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and their berry buddies are antioxidant ninjas. 4. Leafy greens, spinach and kale. These greens are mean against inflammation. 5. Fatty fish, salmon and mackerel, swimming in omega-3s for pain relief. 6. Nuts, almonds and walnuts, crunchy allies in the fight. 7. Olive oil, liquid gold for your health, drizzle it generously. 8. Garlic, the pungent protector keeping inflammation at bay. Now let's switch gears to intermittent fasting. Does it really work, or is it just another fad? Well, here's the skinny. Intermittent fasting is all about timing, my friends. It's not just what you eat, but when you eat. And guess what? Science says it can help with weight loss, improve insulin sensitivity, and even boost brain health. But remember, it's not for everyone. Listen to your body and consult with a pro before jumping in. So there you have it. Foods that fight inflammation and the truth about intermittent fasting. Mix and match these tips, and you'll be on your way to feeling fabulous. Cheers to a healthier you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more flavorful truths. Until next time, stay spicy.